Hello friends, today in this video I am going to this is actually the video for the beginners who are just going to start their gardening or they're getting interests in gardening. So today I will recommend some plants I have in my garden that you can grow if you are a beginner as a starting in your garden. So first of all, this plant you can grow. This is the plant of crepe jasmine. I have video made in Bengali, but I will soon make a video in English also. So you can grow it. It is very easy to grow and maintain plant, and I will give a step-by-step video on it also. You can see lots and lots of birds are coming, and many varieties of this jasmine, crepe jasmine, are available. Likewise, that was the single variety, and this is the double variety. As you can see, it is having different birds. So number one is crepe jasmine. The number two plant that you can grow is periwinkle. In Bengali we say Noyantara, and it is also having a different names in different places, and it comes in variety of colors. This is the desi one. I am not talking for the hybrid one. I also have the hybrid one that is also easy to grow and maintain. I am showing you, and it is also really beautiful flowering plant, as you can see. And this is the hybrid one. It is in pink color, and this is the red one. Actually, due to the scorching heat, it is now wilted, but it is very easy to grow and maintain plant. So number two is periwinkle. Let's come to the next plant, that is number three, that is of hibiscus. You can see loads of birds are there in my plants, and lots of branches also. These are the desi hibiscus, this one, and I have lots of hibiscus in my garden. So, and in each branch you will see birds, flowering birds. This is really easy to grow and maintain plant. I have my video on it, and I will also make more videos on hibiscus also. So number three, hibiscus. Now it is evening time, so I couldn't show you the flowers, but I can show you the birds that will bloom tomorrow. You can see the red one, that one is the pink. There is white, yellow. They comes in varieties of colors: pink, yellow, deep pink, baby pink, and also yellow, green. Green means light green, and many more. Number four, plant number four. This is not any flowering plant only. It is also a fruiting plant that will make you have an interest in gardening. That is lemon. You should grow lemon in your garden, and this year I have harvested less one, but last year I got 22 in this small plant. 22 lemons in this single plant last year. You can grow any kind of lemon, that is Gandharaj lemon or normal lemon. In Bengali we say Pati Lebu. It is known as Gandharaj Lebu, and there is Batabi Lebu, that is in English Pomelo, and also Komla Lebu, that is orange. You can grow. Lemon are also easy to grow and maintain plants. Plant number five. I think you can identify this plant. This is of oleander, Nerium oleander. Now at this particular time I couldn't show you the flower, but I can show you the seed, because they have flowered once, and now it is their resting time, and they will give flowers soon. And I had just repotted them, so they will take time to give flowers. But this is also very easy to grow and maintain plant, and it grows really big if you give it big pot. You can see I have 4 plants. This is the flower of Nerium oleander, that is pink one. I have red, double pink and yellow also. So plant number 6, that is Gandharaj. It is also very easy to grow and maintain plant. It does not require much care and you can grow it. You will get good flowers in rainy season and summer season, and also in spring. This is plant number 7. This is also a fruiting plant. I don't know what it's called in English. I think you can see the fruit and identify the plant. In Bengali we say shobeda. In Hindi it is known as Chiku. So I don't know what it is called in other places. It is also very easy to grow and maintain plant. Plant number 8, that is adenium. You can grow adenium in your garden. My plants had flowered one time, and second time the bloom will come. I will show you. You can grow it. It is plant number 8. It also does not require much care. Only the care that is required for this plant is less watering. Means and the soil preparation. You have to make a proper soil mix for this plant. I have my video on that. You can watch it, and I will make further videos also on this plant. For that, to get all the updates, you need to subscribe to my channel, and I hope you will like each and every video. So please like them also. Now these are plant number 9, money plant. Also easy to grow and maintain plant. Although I'm showing it is trailing downwards, and it is more than 12 feet long down there. More than 12 feet in this small 5-inch pot. That is plant number 9. Plant number 10. This one you can grow, Rajnigandha. It will bloom in rainy season, and it is also a very easy to grow and maintain plant. It will not die, don't worry about that, and you can always grow this plant. Plant number 11, Jasmine mogra. This is the leaf. I can show you. This is a leaf of Jasmine mogra, and that flowers one. I had made a video recently on this plant. You can watch that. How to increase flowering in Jasmine mogra. I need to cut all of them, but I didn't get time. But you can grow it. It is also easy to grow and maintain plant. Let me tell you about this also. This plant, I think you can identify. This is the plant of lemongrass. This is also a permanent plant, and it is also easy to grow and maintain. You should grow this plant. It is also have lots and lots of good effects in your garden. So plant number 12 is lemongrass. I hope you have liked my video, and I think if you are a beginner, you will get help from this video. And if you want to know anything about any of the plants in this list or which are not in this list, if I know, you can ask me. If I know, I will definitely help you by answering in the comment section below. And as I told earlier, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any requests, anything you want to know from me, you can always ask it in the comment. So these were in this video I had told you about top 12 plants you can grow if you are a beginner. Very easy to grow and maintain plants. I will also make further videos. For that, please subscribe to my channel. So okay, for this time, let's see in my next video. Okay, thank you.